Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Kung saan maglaro ng convenience store. Well, this game is made by Chilas Art, bro. This developer has a great concept. Like, maganda yung game niya, maganda yung graphics, maganda yung horror game. I love this Chilas Art. So, ito yung first game niya na lalaruin ko. And yeah, the convenience store na pinihintay natin, lalaruin na natin siya. So, it's the time to play this game. It's time. It's time. Need to get ready for work. Okay, WASD to movement, interact for mouse, and S for options. Okay, get it. On sensitivity, audio. Okay.
よく寝た。
Oh, so babae tayo? Sleep well. Oh, so lalabas na tayo. Look, what the heck is this? Is this a mouse? Or crochet lang siya? Like, gawang like sa sinulid. Like, gawa lang. No, like, it's kind of stuffed toy. So, yung kitchen.
懐中電灯を持っていかないと危ないよね。
So, where's the freaking flashlight? Cloud changes? No. Kasi yung flashlight.
外もう真っ
It's dark
暗だよ
outside.
ね。
Okay. So, hindi ko makita kung saan yung flashlight. Okay, walang flashlight dito kasi I think, kitchen area. Oh, this is a flashlight. Yes. Ito ba yung labas? I need to eat something. Change and grab flashlight before. Okay. Eat and change something. Like, what do you mean? Character development? I guess. Yes. So, cutscene. Magbabantay tayo ng convenience store and di ko alam kung anong mangyari. Oven, kain ba tayo? No, we can't pick up this thing. Like yung pagkain mismo. So, wala naman lutong ulam or what? Anong kakainin mo? Nakapag-change na tayo ng clothes. And inidoro na parang hindi na nalinis isang taon, dalawang taon. Okay. Oh, fridge. Okay, gets. Warm up. Yes, of course. Kaya kinuha ako eh. Galing sa rep. Alam, kainin ko ng malamig. Okay, hindi ba siya gumagamit ng malakas na kuryente? Kasi alam ko, guys, gumagamit ng malakas na kuryente tong oven, mga gantong bagay, mga appliances. Oh, demo, tataas pa yung bill ng kuryente mo. Tagal. So, maghihintay ba tayo dito? Hintayin ba natin kagatin ni mouse itong chichirya na ito? Okay. All goods na. Eat bento? Of course. Kaya nga kinuha ko. Alam ang gamitin mo. All goods. And baba na tayo and punta tayo sa convenience store kung saan may mangyayaring hindi maganda. Oh, may kulay. Ang creepy. So, anong oras na? Wala naman sinabi ko anong oras, di ba? Oh, may shift. May shift tayo? So, asan yung store natin? Uy. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung store natin. Bababa ba tayo? Ba't parang... Oh, man. Ito yung nakakatakot sa Japan eh. What the heck? Parang ganito mga bahay nila sa Japan. Nagdikit-dikit. Tapos parang maze. So, saan yung convenience store? Wala akong nakikita ng convenience store. Kundi, puro kubo. Dito convenience store. Dito ba yung daan pa convenience store? I think ito nga kasi parang, kalahati, bridge. Oh, see? Sabi ko nga. Convenience store. And hindi ko alam kung paano pa uwi. Oy! May nagbabalita sa GMA News. Hello, sir. Oh, you made it. Hmm? Oh no, it's just that I recently heard someone had fell off the bridge you just crossed. So kailan? Ngayon lang ba? There was an old lady and said that she saw a man walking down the streets with his legs completely bent the other way. What the scary stuff. If only this was a true story. Ha? Sorry. So, pwede ba ako? Yes, of course. Enter the counter. And magta-time in, time check tayo. Sorry. What do you mean sorry? Ba't parang may kamukhang nagbabalita sa GMA? So, mag-time in, time out. I mean, time in muna tayo. Punch in? Of course. So, yun na, nag-time in na tayo. Ganun talaga sa mga, I think, some food are expired by the time you start your shift. Can you take them out of the shelves for me? Your manager. Hoy, bro! What the frick, bro? Iniwan niya ako sa 7-Eleven. No. So, computer. What's use the CCTV? Yes, I guess. Okay. So, andun tayo. Dun sa bahay na yun. What? Yes. Huh? So, may customer na? May customer na nga. What? RMB to zoom? Bro, masyadong maliwanag yung brightness. Okay. I think that's good. So, may papalitan tayo mga shelves, diba? Sabi ni customer, things when you start your shift, can you take them up on the shelves? Okay. Your manager, of course, I can do that, sir. Yes, so, palitan natin mga ano ba yung papalitan dito? Ako ba? Thank you's choice? Hi, I'll give it a try. Looks like some are expired. Take items of shelves. Of course! Yun yung utos ni Yung utos ni boss. Yung manager. So, asa yung basurahan? So, may CR banda dito. And I think nandito yung basurahan. I mean, yung trash can. If tama ako. Oh, nandito. Bro, ang creepy. Ba't may daan dyan? Trash expire food? Yes. So, ba't may parang cutscene once na... Okay, may cutscene siya pag magtatapon tayo ng basura or nagawa tayo ng kahit ano man. Ito, tatanggalin natin to, tatapon natin to. Looks like some are expired. Okay. Of course, take that item. Sa labas natin to. Oh my gulay. So, lumabas na si manager, iniwan na tayo. And ito na yung hindi maganda, may mangyaring hindi maganda. Oh, so may bagong delivery. May parcel ba? Sino ba nag-order niyan? Hello, sir. It's kinda late for a delivery man at this time, huh? We've recently incorporated this system exclusively for convenience stores that are open late at night. Looks like this package is directly shipped to the store. Oh, and the name matches your tag. Think this is for you. Okay, receive, of course. Enter to the counter. I think some food are expired. I think natapos ka naman na yon. Let's check the CCTV, the freaking CCTV. So, umalis na yung truck. Delivery truck. I think, open na natin itong parcel. Take it home. What the heck? Ano yun? What the freak, bro? Tape record? I mean... Watch closely. What do you mean watch closely? Di mo ba pwedeng watch from far away? What the heck, bro? What the heck? Ano yun? Uy! Saan nagbukas? Ito? Oh, so yun yung laman ng box? I think ito yung first night ulit. I mean, first night natin yun. And I think this is the second night. Hey, hey, hey! So I heard you reported that the doors would open on their own. Would open? Oh, sabi ko na nga ba. So nagkusang bukas nga yung door kanina. Well, we got a guy to check the sensor. And it seems like the wirings were loose. Oh, you thought it was some sort of poltergeist? I see those on the TV all the time. But they're all scripted. Ghosts aren't real after all. Yeah, hindi ako naniniwala, tol. You can leave now so I can do my job and hindi mo na ako istorbohin. Would you please punch in? Yes! Yes! Para matapos yung ship mo. Ay, lumabas na siya. So, tayo ulit may iwan. Ba't hindi ba tayo pwede samahan ng isa? Like sa mga convenience store, guys. Alam ko hindi pwede iwanan ang isa eh. Alam ko may kasama sila. Like dalawa sila or tatlo man lang. I don't know. So, what's next? Wait lang. Tignan ko yung task ko. May task na iniwan sa akin si manager. I guess si manager yon. I saw some rats behind the store yesterday. Someone must have left the garbage bin open. The first person to see this note has to get rid of. Oh man, ba't hindi ito nakita nung katrabaho nung ano ko? If I don't know if siya ba si manager. I think hindi siya si manager. So yeah, it's time to get rid of those rats behind of this store. What the heck is this? Oh, mouse killer. Okay. There you are. Patay. There you are again. Alam niyo guys, may kaibigan akong takot sa daga. Ewan ko bakit siya takot sa daga. Well, nakakatakot naman talaga yung daga, nakakadiri. Pero once na makakita siya ng daga sa video man lang or sa ano, natakot siya. Oh, yun. Pakita rin. All good. So, balik na tayo sa store. So, bakit hindi na tayo mapag-shift? I think may tao sa loob ng store. May tao sa loob ng store, guys. Oh, matanda. I think gagamit siya ng CR. Nay, pakibuhusan po ah. Can I talk to you, please? Before you go? No, you're not allowed to use the bathroom. You're not allowed to use our bathroom. Hindi, silipin na nga natin. O mamaya magtanim siya ng bomba dyan eh. So, I think siya yung multo. I don't know if... Kasi kanina, di ba, sabi nung katrabaho natin, may matanda daw. May nahulog. I don't know if matanda or ano. Whoa, bro, si Johnny Cage. Is that you, Johnny Bravo? Are you a thug? Hey, I'm in a hurry. Now, could you please fetch me 5 cans of beer and a pack of cigar? Hurry up! How can I punch this? So, beer? How can I get the beer? Wala dito. So, where's the freaking beer? I think nandito siya.
自分で取ってきてよね。
Go get it yourself. What do you mean, bro? So, 5 cans of beer. Hirap to maging customer, ikaw utusan. Okay, sir, wait. I'm head in and give this to you. Okay, punch pala. Magpa-punch tayo. Thank you. Until now, hindi na nalabas yung matanda. Let's... Oh, nag-plus na siya. Nag-plus na siya. So, lumabas na siya, guys. Bali, 5 pesos lang po. Huh? Where's Cancun? You know where is Cancun is? I thought I heard his voice. This was my daughter's house. What do you mean? This store? What did you do? How dare you? What the frick? After mo gumamit ng bathroom, magaganyan-ganyan ka dito. Tadyaan kita eh. So, is this a daughter's house? Ito daw yung, ito daw yung bahay ng anak niya. Okay, goodbye. So, yeah. And tapos naman tayo. We already done to get rid of those rats. And ano next? I saw some rats. Okay. I think everything's good. Everything's good na. So yeah, check the CCTV. Of course, yes. So, yun na siya. Nandito na siya. Okay, may bata. If nakikita nyo, may bata. Let's go, let's go. Labas tayo, labas tayo. Hey, little kid. Yes. Di siya nagpapakita. I think, yeah. She's a ghost. I think she's a ghost, guys. What? Okay. So may truck na naman at parcel ulit. I don't know if may parcel yan. If hindi, okay. Dito nga pa parking. May parcel yan, guys. Dito siya pumarking eh. So may store. May convenience store. And another parcel. Abonoan ko na naman. Tama ba? Dito ba siya bumaba? Check nga natin. Man, a tug. Is that a tug? Oh, siya na naman. Good to see you again. Oh, you know the unstoppable trend on order everything online. Anyway, there seems to be package and that needs to be picked up here. What do you mean? There seems to be a package that needs to pick up here. Oh, I mean this one. Okay. Give the package? Of course, yes. Kasi sabi, yun yung utos eh. Well, I think budol yan, hindi yan. Hindi yan. I mean, basta, ang hirap niya explain kasi ganyan kami, may tindahan kami noon. May mga ganong budol. Sabihin, yung utang daw ni ganito, ganyan, bayaran mo na daw. So, umalis na yung truck. Naliliko yan dito. So, may sasakyan banda ron. Banda rito. Tapos na ba yung shift natin? I hope tapos na yung shift natin. Is everything's good? All goods. Dapat ba natin libutin tong store? And wala na yung bata. And niya may sasakyan banda. So nag-leave na tayo. What is this? Get an umbrella. How about the flashlight? How about the flashlight? May pagkain, wala. Oh, ayun yung flashlight. So, Noel, no? Alam niyo ba guys, sabi sa akin ng kaisa kong kaibigan, alam niyo ba guys, may isa kong kaibigan nagsabi sa akin, once na kumatok ang tao, nagsabi ng tao po, ibig sabihin, tao daw talaga yun. If kumatok ng 3 at walang nagsabi, ibig sabihin, hindi daw yung tao. Hindi daw yung tao. Huwag mo na pagbubuksan. Yun yung sabi, like urban legends yun, I don't know if totoo yun. Kasi hindi daw masabi ng mga, alam niyo na, yung mga shapeshifter, mga aswang, na hindi nila masabi yung tao po, ganun. Parang ganun. Hindi ko lang alam. No, I think hanggang 3rd night lang tayo. Yun, tumatayo yung balahibo ko. What the heck? What does it mean? I hope wala tayong makita sa daan. Please. Umuulan pa naman. And anytime pwede tayong malandslide ng lupa, bitak na lupa. Takbo na tayo. Dito ang daan. Ano ba ang daan dito? So wala. I think dito talaga tayo dadaan. Kanya, baba. I mean, dito pala, baba. Ito na yung bridge. Yan na yung convenience store. Dun banda. Ba't parang taong nakatayo to? Like, naka-T-pose. I don't know if tama. Mula lang, mukha lang. What the frick? Nasing katulong natin. Okay, I think nasa likod siya ng pinto. Basa pa tayo. Please. Ang bira! Boo. I got you good, huh? Okay. Fine, I'll stop. I promise I won't do it again. Okay. What, someone's been sending you messages, Steph? Steve? That sounds like a perfect idea for a horror flick. It's probably just a prank. I doubt it's anything. I mean, come on, it's just a video. What can a videotape do to you? I don't know. Gusto kita sapakin. Imbis na mag-punch in, ikaw ang gusto ko i-punch in dito sa loob. If you pwede. So this is the 3rd night, guys. Abnoy na siya. Some products were missing on the shelves. Always keep the shelves full. That's our motto. Yeah. So please, restock them by tomorrow morning. Okay, good. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Your manager. Okay. Lang. Parang mali dito. Okay, manager. I got it. Oh, so may milk. Ay, hindi pala para sa atin. So, i-restock natin yung shelves. Yeah. Oh, hindi. Hindi siya dyan. Okay, wait lang. May matandang humingi ng tulong. Enter the counter, of course. Oh, para siyang hulog eh. If hingi siya. I'm Hamada. So there's something wrong with the air conditioning? Your boss seemed desperate in keeping the food fresh. Hate to be working this late, but he pays me well, you know. Don't mind me. I'll just quickly check the outside units and head right out. He's kinda sus, you know. O hindi naman. So, back to business. Restock tayo ng shelves. Hindi ko lang kung saan lalagay yun. Itong buwisit na to. Saan to? So, ba't para magkakaparehas ng product? Like, iisang products lang yun nandito. Oh, man. Saan mag-open yan, oh? Oh, diba? Checkan natin siya if totoo ba yung mga sinasabi niya. Utakte. Gulat ako sa ulan. Pasan na siya? Ito yung van niya. Basa ba tayo? What? I think he'll be safe here. You'll be safe here. Yeah, safe siya dito. Yan ka. Close the door and titignan natin yung CCTV. Bukas ba talaga yun? Oh, yun siya. Like, look. Nice siya nga yung CCTV. So, babalik na siya. May multo sa bintana. What the heck? Wala naman ah. Pabalik na siya. Yan, naayos yun yung CCTV, yung air conditioner. Pabalik na siya. Ano siya? Dapat dito yung lili ko eh. Ang bango ng takoyaki ko. So may dalawang customer. I mean, isa lang. Isang customer to. Isa nag-ayos ng air conditioner. Yung aircon. May nag-ayos ng aircon. Yan siya, pabalik niya siya. And yes. I think need ko i-close muna tong door banda rito. Uy, ulit ako sa'yo. Hi. Mukha siyang paninda tapos nakatingin sa akin. Ay, okay ka lang, madam? So, maalis na nag-aayos ng air condition. Ba't nang kate ko? Dahil ba pawis ako kanina? So, ipapunch ko lang yan. And I think Gcash yung bahay nila. Hey! Are you the only one working here? I can't believe this! What kind of manager puts on a girl midnight shift alone? Oo nga naman. Dalawa nga talaga yung tao dito eh. Ewan ko bakit isa lang yung laman ng convenience store. I mean yung tao. Alam ko sa mga 7-Eleven, 3 o 2 eh. I see you have no choice. Well, at the very least, I'll give you my protection charm. Charm? Now be careful! Is this a protection? Well, thank you. Ano to? Yung may lamang luya? Yung mga nilalagay sa mga sanggol? Yung luya sa paa? Yung parang may pin? So, let's check. I hope. Putek na yan. So, yung inidoro guys, nagwawala. Nagwawala inidoro. Uy! Okay, may jumpscare na to. Ay, tumigil ka! What the heck? May gumagamit ng laptop. Ako lang ba? O dun yun? Oh man. Oh my sizzling. Mama Pizzeria. What the frick? Oh man, what the heck? Ano to? Pick up talismans. Yes. Anong talisman? What the heck? Ano purpose nito? Sa CR? Okay, tumatay balahibo ko. What the frick, bro? Let's check again. Ba't parang lumabo yung camera ko? So, bukas na yung doon banda. And I think doon natin lalagay yung talisman doon banda sa prohibited area. I don't know if... What if lagay natin sa... Oh, man. Ginulo pa ako sa dami-dami na pwedeng guluhin eh. Wait, wala naman tindang lata. I mean, meron pala. I think dito ko ilalagay itong talisman na to. Nope, hindi. So, I think doon na tayo. So, prohibited area na yun. Wala bang payong, bro? Alam ko may payong ka kanina. Oh, may gulay. Exorcist the door. Ba't may bicycle dito? Okay, sobrang dilim. I think mababalik na tayo sa store. And I hope walang jump scare. No, hell na, please. Oh, hell no! What? So, may nilagay nga siyang... Hindi bubuksan natin yung pinto. No, we cannot open the door. What if itong bintana? Oh, may flash. Oh, my bad. My bad. I forgot. Okay. And I don't know if saan to gagamitin. Pamalo ba to? Open AC? Yes. Pero ba't iniwan na ni Kuya nung kanina nag-ano tayo? Like yung... Susi? You mean susi sa door? Dito? At bakit may bahay dito? CR ba to? Or abandoned bathroom? Four? Ikaw ba yan, manager? Manager, 4? We mean by 4. May manager. Ba't may patay na daga dyan? Hey manager, can you help me? What the freak? Bro, why are you looking at me? What the heck? What, third night? What, a nightmare? Was it all a dream? No. No. Hindi. Na. Please, stop gaslighting yourself, bro. Pick a flashlight. Okay, I guess nandito na naman yung lalaki. Tama ako. What? I think need ko pumunta dun. Need ko lumabasan. Need ko puntahan. Ay, hi to the locker. Bakit naging ganun yung ano? What the freak? What is this? Oh, man! Oh, man. What the heck is this place? I guess hindi natin puntahan. At puro CCTV. At puro visual tape. I guess need ko puntahan, guys. So, hindi na kusa nagbubukas. Inidoro. I don't get it. Hindi ko gets. So, I'm a detective here. Ano to? Bakit ganito? So, open ko yung TV na yun kung saan siya tumutok. Let's see. Una nasa likod. Mas next. Ito. And then next is ito, di ba? Then Okay, all goods na. Niligtas na natin yung bata. Okay, oh bro. I can help you. What the heck? What just happened? Hello? Bring home? Yes. Fortnite. Only Fortnite. Bring him home? What do you mean bring him home? Ano to, si Duterte? Bring him home? What if itapon? So there's 3 choices. Nah, I'm done with this game. Pero let's see anong mangyayari. Send it to someone else? No. Can we watch it? No. Tapon ko na nga lang. Throw away. I think sumpa to eh. Pero let's see na lang. Gusto makita. Are you sure? Okay, no. Sige, tapon na natin. Okay, lagay na lang pala natin sa box. Send it to someone else. Or sure no, hindi pala. Okay. So, need three choices. I have three choices kung saan ko ilalagay. If panoorin natin, ano maganda mangyayari? Game. Wait lang. Bahay natin to ah. So may stalker tayo? So may stalker nga tayo. Oh hell no. Oh man. Oh my sizzling sisig. I can move. Oh, sleep paralysis. I think is this a sleep paralysis? Is this a sleep paralysis? Okay, I don't wanna watch it, bro. Oh my kulay. Oh! Oh man! What the heck? I think sleep paralysis siya. A game by Chilla's Art. So I think hanggang dun lang yung game. Ay, may nagmumulto and may stalker tayo. I don't know. If you're interested in supporting Patreon.com Chilla's Art. Chilla's Art supporter game. Cameos. Austin Lee. Akala ko si Stanley. So yeah, ginapang tayo sa uli dun sa bed. If nakita nyo, dun sa bed, like, sa baba, may gumapang. Like, I don't know if stalker yun or bad spirit man lang. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Yeah, may stalker tayo. Nagpapadala ng VHS tape. And hindi ko alam kung sino doon. And sa huli, like, na-sleep paralysis tayo. Like, is this a urban legend? I don't know what kind of urban legend is this. I think, para siyang si The Grudge. Ewan ko lang, hindi ko lang alam. Kasi sa TV, and also, may nakatayong tall white lady. If napanood yung previous video ko noon, may kalaro ng 8 feet tall. Yung horror game na parang white lady na nakatayong lumilipad, tapos ang tangkad niya. And yeah, parang ganun siya. Nagpaparamdam dito sa game na to. And yeah, thank you sa mga nanood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you sa inyo. Maraming salamat. I hope all goods kayo palagi. Kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.